If you feel like your home is constantly one step away from chaos, it's time to reimagine your organization strategy. The key to maintaining an organized home is creating systems that do the work for you. With the right organizational hacks, you can transform your space into a well-oiled machine where everything has its place. In this video, we'll explore actionable tips and tricks to hack your home so that staying organized becomes second nature. Let's dive in. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I blog and make videos about cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. You can find my free printables to help you get organized in the drop-down menu under the printables category over at dmiddleton.com. Now let's look at some ways to hack your home and keep it organized. Number 1, declutter before organizing. Before you even think about reorganizing, make decluttering your first priority. The less you have, the easier it will be to organize. Use techniques like the time capsule decluttering method. Box up items you're unsure about, date the box for 6 months to a year, and revisit it later. If you haven't missed those items, it's a sign you can let them go. This approach reduces decision fatigue, making it easier to get started. Number 2, utilize vertical space. Most people forget about the vertical spaces in their homes. Install shelves, hooks, and pegboards to store items off the floor and countertops. For example, use wall-mounted shelves in the kitchen for spices and pantry items. Hang your pots and pans to free up your cabinet space. Add hooks in closets to hang bags, scarves, and belts. Use over-the-door organizers in bedrooms and bathrooms. Number 3, create drop zones for high-traffic areas. A lot of clutter comes from not having a designated spot for the items that you use daily. Create drop zones in strategic areas. In the entryway, set up a small table or a wall-mounted basket for keys, mail, and sunglasses. Maybe it's the kitchen counter. Use a tray for items like wallets, charging cords, and earbuds. Or maybe it's the bedroom. Place a catch-all tray on your nightstand for watches, jewelry, and small accessories. Number 4, label everything. Labels aren't just for kids' school supplies. They're a great way to create order. Label bins, baskets, and containers so everyone in the household knows where things belong. This simple hack will make it easier to find things quickly, encourage everyone to put the items back in their designated spots, and reduce clutter from misplaced items. Number 5, invest in multifunctional furniture. If you're working with limited space, multifunctional furniture is a game changer. Look for ottomans that double as storage bins, coffee tables with hidden compartments and drawers, beds with drawers underneath for extra storage. These pieces can help keep your space tidy without sacrificing style. Number 6, the one in, one out rule. To prevent clutter from accumulating, follow the one in, one out rule. Every time you bring something new into your home, commit to getting rid of an old item. This is particularly useful for closets, where clothing and shoes can pile up over time. Number 7, use clear storage containers. Transparent containers are perfect for organizing items like pantry goods, toys, craft supplies, and bathroom essentials. Being able to see what's inside eliminates the need to dig through drawers or bins, making it easier to find what you need. Opt for stackable containers to maximize space. Number 8, create an organized cleaning caddy. Cleaning supplies can quickly take over your cabinets and under-sink areas. Instead of scattering products throughout your home, assemble a cleaning caddy with all the essentials. Use this portable caddy to tackle cleaning tasks more efficiently and avoid doubling up on supplies. Number 9, make use of drawer dividers. Drawers are notorious for becoming chaotic messes. Invest in dividers to separate items like utensils, office supplies, or makeup. You can even DIY those dividers by using old shoe boxes and cut up cardboard for a budget-friendly option. This keeps everything visible and prevents items from shifting around. Number 10, set up a donation station. Designate a small corner of the closet or the garage as a donation station. Place a bin or box where you can easily drop items off that you no longer need. Once your box is full, schedule a trip to the local charity. This hack ensures that you're consistently purging unused items and keeping that clutter at bay. Number 11, create a family command center. A family command center can help you manage schedules, mail, and to-do lists. Here's what to include: a wall calendar to track appointments and activities, a mail sorter for bills and important documents, and a chalkboard or a whiteboard for notes or reminders. This setup centralizes household communication and minimizes your paper clutter. Number 12, adopt a reset routine. At the end of each day, spend 10 to 15 minutes resetting your home. This could mean tidying up the living room, putting away dishes, or folding laundry. By maintaining a daily reset routine, you prevent clutter from piling up and you make weekend cleaning less daunting. Number 13, zone your home for specific activities. Assign each area of your home a specific purpose to maintain focus and organization. For instance, you could create a reading nook in the living room. Set up a designated workspace in the corner of a bedroom. Keep toys in a designated play area to contain the messes. This zoning strategy keeps your home organized and helps you to make the most of the space. Number 14, use baskets and bins strategically. Baskets and bins are great for storing miscellaneous items while keeping them out of sight. Use them to corral blankets in the living room, store kids' toys for easy cleanup, or organize toiletries under the bathroom sink. Labeling these containers ensures everyone knows where things go. Number 15, hack your closet with tiered hangers. Closet organization can be challenging, but tiered hangers make it easier to maximize space. Use them for pants, scarves, or even tops. Additionally, you could try using slim velvet hangers. They take up less space and they prevent your clothes from slipping. Number 16, create a clutter-free kitchen. The kitchen is one of the hardest areas to keep organized due to its high traffic. Try these hacks. Use Lazy Susans for spices and condiments. Install a magnetic knife strip to free up drawer space. Hang your measuring cups, spoons inside the cabinet doors. Number 17, go digital. Digitize documents and photos. Paper clutter is one of the hardest to manage. Start digitizing important documents, photos, and receipts using a scanner or a mobile app. Store them in the cloud for easy access and backup. This will reduce the need for bulky filing cabinets. Number 18, go minimalist with decor. While it's nice to have decorative items, too many can make your home feel cluttered. Stick to a minimalist approach by displaying only a few favorite pieces. Then you can rotate your decor seasonally instead of overcrowding shelves and tables. Number 19, leverage technology. There are countless apps designed to help you to keep your home organized. Apps like Todoist, Evernote, and Toady can help you create to-do lists, schedule cleaning tasks, and track household projects. And finally, number 20, make it fun and rewarding. Keeping your home organized doesn't have to be a chore. Turn it into a game by setting timers, playing music, or rewarding yourself after tackling a specifically difficult area. This can be particularly motivating if you involve the whole family. Transforming your home into an organized haven doesn't happen overnight, but with the right hacks, you can make the process smoother and more sustainable. Start small, focus on high-impact areas, and implement these hacks to make staying organized a natural part of your daily routine. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching.